Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. Dell XPS 15 9564K UHD touchscreen Intel Core i5-7300HQ 8GB RAM 256GB SSD Nvidia GTX 1054GB GDDR5 Windows 10 Home, certified refurbished. This certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. 15.6-inch 4K Ultra HD, 3840x2160, InfinityEdge touch display. 8GB DDR4-2400 MHz, 256GB solid-state drive, no optical drive. 7th generation Intel quad-core i5-7300HQ processor, 6M cache, 2.5 GHz base speed, up to 3.50 GHz with turbo boost. Windows 10 Home 64-bit English, manufacturer warranty.